In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Slack. Creating a poll in Slack is one of the quickest ways to gather feedback, make team decisions, or vote on priorities without filling a channel with long reply threads. There are two simple ways to do this. The first uses Slack's built-in workflow builder for a more polished and structured poll. The second is a fast emoji-based poll that works great when you need an answer right away. Let's start with the native option using Workflow Builder. First, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Once you're inside your workspace, go to the top left area of the sidebar and click your workspace name to open the main menu. From there, choose Tools, then open Workflow Builder. When the Builder dashboard appears, look to the top right corner and click Create Workflow. Next, choose the trigger option called From a Link in Slack. This creates a shareable shortcut that your teammates can use to launch the poll. Give the workflow a clear name that helps people understand its purpose, then click Next. After that, click Add Step on the workflow canvas. In the search field, look for forms or collect info from a form and select it. Now it's time to configure the poll itself. Enter a form title that describes the topic of the vote. Then add your main question so people know exactly what they're responding to. For the answer type, choose Select from a list or multiple choice, depending on how you want voting to work. Then enter each option one by one and save the form. After that, click Add Step again below the form and choose Send a message to a channel. Select the channel where you want the poll activity to appear and insert the form response details into the message body so the results are easy to share and review. When everything looks right, go to the top of the page and click Publish. Your poll is now live and your teammates can use the generated link to submit their votes. If you need something faster, you can create a simple emoji poll directly in a channel. Open the conversation where you want to post it and click into the message box. Type your question clearly so everyone understands the vote. Then use Shift and Enter to add a new line and list each option on its own line with a different number emoji in front of it. This keeps the poll clean and easy to scan. Once you send